chapter, we have discussed about equation, linear equation, and a general form of a linear equation, and linear equation, pair of linear equations, general form of pair of linear equations, and nature of two lines. What are the forms in that? Coincident lines, intersecting lines, and parallel lines. Lines we have discussed. In today's class, we are going to discuss about examples and how to write equations. How to write equations in two variables and how to draw the graph of that equations. Understood? So in today's class, we are going to discuss about how to write linear equations in two variables by using the given statement and how to draw the graph. Okay. Initially, I am going to start with the example 2 of this chapter. See, it is in the page number 67. What is the given example? By using this example, we have to write the statement. We have to write the equation by using this statement. Given that Romali went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for 9 rupees. Okay. Her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila, and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for how much rupees? 18 rupees. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So initially what we have to do is we have to read the question carefully and we have to write the given. What we have to do? We have to write the given. See here. So write solution. Initially what we have to do is we have to take, because we don't know how many what is the cost of the pencil. So let cost of one pencil is equal to x rupees. Understood? Similarly, cost of eraser. One eraser is equals to y rupees. In each and every question we have to take that. If we don't know the values, if we don't know, means these two are the variables, we have to take. So cost of one pencil is x rupees and cost of one eraser is y rupees, because we don't know the cost of the pencil and the eraser. Now by using the given question, Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for 9 rupees. So here she has brought 2 pencils. Pencil is written as x, and 3 erasers. Erasers are written as y. For how many rupees? 9 rupees. For how many rupees? 9 rupees. Take this equation as 1. Like this, we have to make the equation by using the given statement. Again, Sonali saw the new variety. Sonali went to the same stationery shop and she bought how many pencils? 4 pencils. Pencil is given by x, and 6 erasers for how many rupees? 18 rupees. Take this equation as 2. Take this equation as 2. Now what we have to do? Now we have to represent this algebraically and graphically. So this is the algebraic equations. These two are the algebraic equations. By using the given question, we have written the equations. By using these two, in yesterday's class we have discussed how to put values and all. Now we have to put some values for x and we will get y. Here also we have to put some values for x. Again we will get y value. I will show you how it is. See here. First equation is, what is the first equation? 2x plus plotting equations. Write it as plotting equations, because we need graph. Without solutions we can't draw the graph. Plotting equations. Take this first equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, and another equation is 4x 6y is equal to 18. See, I have already said yesterday, draw this box, y is equal to, see, whatever values you want you can input. Yesterday also I have said, whatever values you want you can input here. I will tell you how. First I will do this. See here, we know x, y is equal, what happens to y? 9 minus 2x by using this equation. This goes to the right side, this becomes minus 3 is there, divided by 3. So now put values for x. See here, put x is equals to 0. Put x is equals to 0. What happens to y? Y is equal to 9 minus 2 into 0. We are putting x as 0 divided by 3. 2 into 0 is 0. 9 by 3. So what is the value of y? 9 by 3 is 3. This value we should write here. This value we should write here. Whatever values you want you can take. Either you can take 0, either you can take 1, 2, 3, whatever you want you can take. You should put this value here in this equation. How this equation came? By using this equation. By using this equation, we got this equation. Understood? Now put x is equal to 9 minus 2 is 7. You can't take this. X is equal to 3 become 3 to the 6. You can take x as 3. If you take whole numbers, it will be useful to you. Don't see the textbook. They have taken decimal values. I am taking whole number because while plotting the graph, it will be useful. Now put x is equals to how much? 3. If you put x is equals to 3, 3 to how much? 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 3, 3 get cancelled, y is equal to 1. Similarly, y is equals to 9 minus 2 into 3 divided by 3. 9 minus 6 divided by 3. Y is equals to 3 by 3. Therefore, y is equals to how much? 1. Y is equals to 1. Understood? Like this, we have to solve the equations. So, one equation we have solved. So, what is the solutions of this equation? 2x plus 3y is equals to 9. See here, I have already said, always you have to write x comma y, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3 and 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 are the solutions of what? Of which equation? 2x plus 3y is equals to 9. Understood? In this whole chapter, we have to do the same thing. In this whole chapter, we have to do the same thing. There is nothing changed. Similarly, one equation is completed, that is 2x plus 3y is equals to 9. Next, what we have to do? We have to solve 4x plus 6y is equals to 18. Now we have to solve 4x plus 6y is equals to 18. See here, 4x plus 6y is equals to 18. How do you solve? Similarly, put a table xy. What is y here? By using this equation, you can simplify this, either you can take directly. Y is equals to 18 minus 4x divided by 6. 18 minus 4x divided by 6. See, if you simplify this, you will get the same equation. Divided by 2. 2x plus 3y is equals to 9. Same equation will come. Understood? But I am not simplifying this. I am writing as it is. Take same values. Put x is equals to 0. What happens to y? Put x is equals to 0. Where? In this equation. Either you can put in this equation also. If you don't know the perfect simplification, write like this. If you don't know the perfect simplification, write like this. If you know your perfect simplification, you can put directly in this equation. Put x is equal to 0. What happens to y? Y is equal to 18 minus 4 into 0, that is 0 divided by 6. Y is equal to how much? 18 by 6. 6 1 the 6 3 the. This implies y is equal to 3. What is the value of y? 3. Again, put x is equal to 3. Put whatever value you want to get. 6 3 is how much? Sorry, 4 3 is 12. Y is equal to 18 minus 4 into 3 divided by 6. So y is equal to 18 minus 4 3 is 12 divided by 6. 18 minus 12 is 6 divided by 6. 6 1 the. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 1. So what are the solutions here? 0, 3 and 3, 1. 0, 3 and 3, 1 are the plus 6y is equal to. Understood? So we got the solutions. These two are the solutions, 1 and 2. Now we have to plot the graph by using these two solutions. See, for one equation you will get one straight line. For this equation you will get another straight line. We know the values now. Okay. See how to draw the graph. All are positive values, so we can easily plot the graph. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. There is no negative values. You can take -1 here, -1, -2, y dash, y dash. See, all are positive values, so I am taking this as positive line. More 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here. What are the solutions of first equation? That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. 0, 3 means here 0, 3 and 3, 1. X is 3 here, this is x and this is y. This is x and this is y. X is 3 here, y is 1, so it comes here. That is 3, 5. So join these two lines. Join these two lines. So which equation this represents? This equation. 2x plus 3y is equals to 9. Again, see here. Here also we got the same values because these two are similar equations. 2x plus 3y is equals to 9. This also implies if you divide it by 2 here, this becomes 2x plus 3y is equals to 9. 2 is divided by 2. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 9s. Okay. So this equation also represents 4x plus 6y is equals to 18. Here, one line is overlapped on another line. These lines are called what? Yesterday I have said coincident lines. These lines are called coincident lines. Clear? So this finished the problem. In this whole chapter, you have to do the same thing. What I have done today. First, initially, what we have to do? We have to write the given equation by using the question. By using the question, we have to write the statements. After that, by using the equations, we have to solve like this. By putting x values and y values as 0 or 1, 2, 3, whatever you want, you can put values and we have to follow the same procedure throughout Wait a minute. Some network error is there. Okay. We have to follow the same procedure throughout the chapter. Same thing. We have to write the equation and we have to solve like this. Put x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, whatever you want, you can take the values and draw the graph. Finish. Understood? Let's move on to the second example, the third example. First one I didn't do because the question is very long. That's why. One and the same method, but if you want, you can do it for homework. See, in third example, no need to write by using the statement. They are given directly. They are given directly the equations. Just we have to solve like this, and we have to draw the graph. Example 3. Example 3. Same procedure. Already they have given the equations. We have to solve and we have to draw the graph. Draw the graph. What are the equations? See, this is very easy. What are the equations? See, this is very easy. And this is page number 68. Example 3, page number 68. Which is very easy. What are the given equations? X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. These are the given equations. What we have to do? The equations are already given. We have to solve it and draw the graph. So first equation, x, take this equation as 1, take this equation as 2. So x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. X, what here? Y. Y is having plus value, so send these to the right side. It becomes 4 minus x divided by 2. 4 minus x divided by 2. What will you put the values here? Whatever you want you can take. Put x is equals to 0. Easy. 4 by 2 is 2. Put x is equals to 0. Put x is equals to 0. So y what it becomes? 4 minus 0 by 2. So y is equals to how much? 1 are 2 2s are. That is y is equal to 2. Understood? Next, what is the value of y? 2. See here, if you put 2 here, x is 0. Okay, if you put 2 here, put here x as 2. What it becomes? Put x is equals to 2. If you put 1 here, what happens? 4 minus 1 is 3. So it becomes 3 by 2, which is a decimal. It is difficult to draw decimal points. Okay, that's why I am taking 2 here. 4 minus 2 is y is equals to 4 minus 2 divided by 2. Y is equals to 2 by 2. Therefore, what is the value of y? 1. What is the value of y? 1. What are the solutions? Always you have to write 0, 2 and 2, 1. 2, 1 are the solutions of what? Which equation? X plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. Which is very easy. And this one. Now second equation. We got solutions of this equation. Now we have to find the solutions of second equation. What is the second equation? 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. How will you write this? Same. X. We should take the value of y. We should derive value of y from this equation. What is the value of y? 12 minus 2x divided by 4. See here, how to write this please? Here, 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equals to 0. Send this to the right side. What happens? 4y, keep it here only. 12 minus 12 becomes plus 12. Plus 2x becomes minus 2x divided by 4 denominator. So y is equals to 12 comes to denominator. So y is equals to 12 minus 2x by 4. This is how we write the equation. Now what we have to do? Take the values whichever you want. Put x is equals to 0. Put x is equals to this is the y. 12 minus 2 into 0 divided by 4. 2 into 0 is 0. 12 minus 0 is 12. 12 by 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are. Y is equals to how much? 3. Y is equal to 3. Next. 4. Which will you take? Any value. To 1. Take 1. 2 ones are 10. 10 by 4. It doesn't matter. 2. Take 2. 2 is 4. Yeah. Take x is equals to 2. Y is equal to 12 minus 2 into 2 divided by 4. Y is equals to 12 minus 4 by, what is 12 minus 4? 8. 4 ones are 4. I said no, whichever value you want you can take. We take x is equals to 2, then what is the value of y? 2 only. Understood? X is equal to 4, 12 minus 4 is 8. Yeah. So what are the solution of this equation? 0, 3 and 2, 2 are the solutions of which equation? This equation. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we got the solutions. What we have to do? We have to draw the graph. Again, all are positive values. Now draw the graph. Again, all are positive values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enough. So here, for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. That is 0, 2. For x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. It comes here. That is 2, 1. Which line it is? This is the line of which equation? First equation. X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Straight line. These two are the solutions of this equation. If these 2 points satisfy this equation, then this equation satisfies these 2 points. If you want to put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, 2 is 4, 4 get cancelled is equal to 0, means these 2 points satisfies this equation. Again 0, 3 means it comes here. 0, 3. 2, 2 it comes here. 2, 2. So these two are what? Parallel lines. What are these 2 points? Parallel lines. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. These two are what? Parallel lines. Understood? Okay, fine. So we have completed example 2 and example 3. Now we are passing on to the exercise problems. Similar, in the same way, we have to write the equations. We have to write the equations and solve, get the solutions of each equation and draw the graph. Everything is same. throughout the chapter. These two are which lines? Parallel lines. These two are parallel lines. Now exercise 3.1, sorry 3.1 first question. 3.1 first question. We write here exercise 3.1 solution of first question. First question. See, yesterday I have said what I told in ages. Means in ages ago, if it comes 6 years ago, 7 years ago, we have to take minus. If it comes from now, means later, then you have to take plus. Yesterday, if you want, you can check out in the previous video. In today's class, exercise 3.1, take first question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now. 7 years ago means you have to take minus, and also 3 years from now means you have to take plus. I will tell you. I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. See, what we have to take, we don't know the ages. So you should take x and y as variables. We should take x and y as variables. See here, let after age, current age and 7 years ago and 7 years ago, 7 years ago and 3 years from now. And 3 years from now. See, writing equations is difficult. Solving equations is easy. If you write equations properly, then you can solve easily. And Aftab's daughter. Aftab's daughter. Let current age of Aftab x. Let current age of Aftab is x, because we don't know the age, so take it as x. Let Aftab's daughter is 1. Let current age of Aftab's daughter is 1. Got it? Next. 7 years ago, what I said, if it is ago, we have to take minus. 7 years ago, what is the Aftab's age? We know current age. 7 years ago, x minus 7. 7 years ago, Aftab's age is x minus 7. Similarly, Aftab's daughter's age 7 years ago. 7 years ago, Aftab's daughter age is y minus 7. Because current age of daughter is y. 7 years ago, y minus 7. If it is ago, don't think, just take minus symbol. From now means later. Current age is x. 3 years later, x plus 3. Current age is X. 3 years later. 3 years from now means 3 years later. After 3 years. So Aftab's daughter age is y plus 3. 3 years after Aftab's daughter age is y plus 3. Finished. Now by using the given statements and by using this table, we have to write the equations and solve the equations. We have to write the equations and solve the equations. See, given that 7 years ago, I means who? Aftab was 7 times as old as Aftab's daughter. You as Aftab's daughter. You means I means here Aftab. You means Aftab's daughter. Aftab's daughter. By using the given statements, we have to write the equations. See here. I will write here 7 years ago. 7 years ago means we have to take these two values. 7 years ago, I was means Aftab was 7 times as old as Aftab's daughter. What is how we can write? After 7 years ago means we have to take these two equations. Aftab was what is 7? Aftab age in 7 years ago? X minus 7. Aftab was 7 times. 7 times means multiplication. 7 times, 2 times, 3 times, whatever they give, it is multiplication. Aftab was 7 years ago. Aftab's age is x minus 7. 7 times as old as Aftab's daughter. What is the age of Aftab's daughter? Y minus 7. So by using these two, we will get the equation. Writing this is difficult. Remaining everything is same. So x minus 7, solve this. 7 into y is 7y. 7 is 49. This implies, we will continue here, x minus 7. Take everything to the left side. Plus 49 minus 7y plus 49 is equal to minus 7y plus 49 minus 7 is plus 42 is equals to 0. So we get an equation 1. To get this equation, we have did all this. Only to get this equation, we did all this. Understood? Understood? Again they have given that 3 years from now. Here I will write. Did you understand this? 7 years ago, by using the statement. 7 years ago, Aftab was 7 times as old as Aftab's daughter. Sir? Okay, 7 years ago, Aftab was 7 times as old as Aftab's daughter. What is Aftab's age 7 years ago? X minus 7 is equals to 7 into y minus 7 is Aftab's daughter age 7 years ago. So solve this equation, you will get x minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. Okay. I'll stop to here. I will continue in the next class. Thank you.